The Commission on Elections, or COMELEC, noted a rise in election-related incidents in the country. That's why they are looking into adding some areas under the red category, especially in Maguindanao and Cotabato City. The poll body made this assertion following the shooting of the Vice Mayor of Datopiang in Maguindanao del Sur, Omar Samama, while delivering a speech in an event at an evacuation center. COMELEC condemned the incident and said this is clearly an election-related case. The poll body is set to hold a meeting tomorrow with the Philippine National Police, or PNP, for the possible reclassification of areas of concern.
Mga napansin po tayo ng mga nasa orange category areas na bigla na lang nagkaroon ng spike ng violence. Hindi naman po ganun kataas yung ganung spike ng violence. Kaya lang, mukhang kinakailangan yung aming security forces mas damihan namin.